Now that is how you make an entrance. I'm Mark Stasel, Vice President of the Vocational Truck Business at International Truck, and I could not be more excited to take you through the ins and outs of our new HX series, both the set forward axle HX520 and the set back axle HX620. These vehicles are very important for us. They're our very first vehicles designed under Project Compass, a key initiative within our Navistar 4.0 strategy. This strategy and this vehicle are focused on you. And I thought, what better place to showcase our new trucks than out here in the world where you'll be using them. Now I know that's why you're all here. So let's dive right in and explore how we've designed the new HX series for productivity, durability, and comfort. The first thing you'll notice is that these trucks were designed to make a statement. The exterior's bold new look starts with the durable three-piece hood that not only looks great, but is crack-resistant, stronger than fiberglass, and specifically engineered to offer outstanding visibility. It's accentuated by a striking chrome steel grille surround with aluminum mesh grille. Inside, our first focus was driver productivity, and that starts with the cab. This is your driver's command center, so every inch needs to be attuned to their needs. We started by increasing the cab size, upping the comfort with best-in-class HVAC and larger power windows, with a view that provides outstanding visibility. And to maximize uptime, we've integrated Diamond Logic technology. Trust me when I say you and your drivers are going to love Diamond Logic. Gone are the days of awkward control boxes mounted between the seats, where your drivers can't easily see the controls. Diamond Logic gives you an integrated, easy to program, and customizable system that operates directly from the dash, decreases body installation labor, increases uptime and safety, and allows your drivers to operate their body with unmatched confidence. The enhancements to performance and productivity continue when you look below the surface. In the past, you've had to choose between the corrosion resistance of aluminum or the strength of steel. Not anymore. The new HX cab is reinforced and protected with ChemGuard, Line-X, and our own top coat process to deliver the strength of steel while making it nearly impenetrable to salt. And it's all done with an intelligent design of high-strength steel, resulting in no weight penalty. This is a game changer. And because your truck should never limit your business, the HX series continues to offer an industry-leading, lightweight, 12.5-inch single-rail option with 3.5 million RBM, meaning you'll be capable of handling even the heaviest loads. Now those are some of the headline grabbers. But trust me, there's much more to see. The expanded cab also comes laid out with our newest and highest trim package, Diamond Elite. From the stitching, to the material, to the ergonomics, so much care and attention to detail has gone into this trim package that it is truly worthy of our flagship models. Included in this package is a new line of premium Isringhausen seating that ensures no matter where your truck is, even out here in the wilderness, your driver is working in complete comfort at all times, allowing them to stay focused and effective. We've also integrated driver assist technology from Bendix to increase your driver's awareness. Internally and externally, we've replaced all marker lights with LEDs that provide superior nighttime visibility and safety while reducing the frequency of repair. And because we all want some pride of ownership, we've made the new HX easy to make your own, with optional stainless steel visors, bright finish mirrors and LED lights, and customizable stainless steel components from Dieters. We are also proud to be the only vocational truck to offer functional dual external air cleaners with external filtration, retaining a classic look while delivering enhanced performance. Of course, we all know that when you're out here on site, maneuverability is paramount, which is why the new HX is available with dual steering gears and advanced ABS systems that result in superior turning, traction, and job site control. The HX620 also comes standard with the International A26 engine, delivering up to 500 horsepower for superior job site performance in a lightweight package to help maximize your delivered payload. And to help maximize performance, we've included a huck-bolted frame and cross members on the chassis that minimize movement and wear, a wide range of factory-installed lift axles, and for those rare occasions when a driver gets stuck, a front toe pin option rated up to a massive 150,000 pounds. And throughout, we've integrated proven component technology from key partners. The optional Cummins X15 engine, part of the new 2021 Productivity and Performance Series, delivers the power to perform in a variety of ratings, up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 pounds-feet of torque. The new Hendrickson Hallmax EX suspension was redesigned with improved reliability and increased sight ratings. They took a great suspension and made it better, just like our new HX. We offer a range of Watson & Challen factory-installed SL Series steerable lift axles. All lift axle control combinations are available, but most notably, we now offer the option of all controls in the wing panel of the dashboard for improved ergonomics and a quality appearance. With a comprehensive offering of manual and automated manuals for every challenge and application, the Eaton UltraShift transmission offers the highest torque ratings in the industry, capable of any job you have in mind. And finally, we've integrated the Allison 4000 series transmissions, the industry benchmark for smooth and continuous power transmission. Both the Eaton UltraShift and Allison transmissions are controlled through our intuitive, driver-friendly stalk shifter control that allows the driver to keep their eyes on the job site. As you can see, we've only partnered with the best so that you and your drivers, day in and day out, can deliver their best.